He's going to read a farewell message.
Farewell to my dear teacher. For some you may be the candle, but for me you're the light that showed me how to handle without without fright. First, your eyes may be warm, but for me they are bright. They showed me the right platform, leading me to a greater height. For some, you may be free, but for me you are the flowers, giving me to fly higher than the tower. For some, you may be free, but for me you are an angel. Angel I will never forget. But right now it's a farewell. Please good pledge.
Please good pledge.
I pledge to myself.
I pledge to myself.
On this day.
On this day.
To try to be kind.
To be kind.
Every way.
In every way.
To every person.
Every person.
Big and small.
Big and small.
And help them.
And help them.
If they fall.
If they fall.
When I love myself.
And I like myself.
And others too.
And others too.
That is the best that I can do.
Thank you so much for that, Gabriel. Thank you so much for that, kids. All of you, please take your seat. We're going to have our awardings now. Are you ready to receive your awards? Are you waiting for these awards? Okay. May we call on Teacher Virgie so she can distribute your awards, okay? I was surprised. I don't know that Gabriela
Picture na ka.
Meron na. Doon ka lang daw.
And the pledge is the first time in the history of Genesis that my preschool has a pledge. So that's very good gesture, my dear. Anyway, before we give you the precious medal, it's a priceless, because you cannot have that medal and you cannot be awarded today if you did not work for it. Okay? So Teacher Rosa and Teacher Susan recommended me to give that award especially for those who excel in all those subjects. And we have also the Deportment Award. Your attitude in school will be recognized, bad or good, but for those negatives, we discipline. Okay? May I call on, before we give the award, can we hear from Miss Eva Marsan something about the foundation? So, and then we will award a special medal to the child who now in her foundation. Ma'am Eva, maybe for 2 minutes you can just say something about the foundation. So everyone will be, given the chance to remember the charity that the Philippines, like the NGOs like Eva, is doing in our country. So thank you.
Good morning. Our foundation is called Childsville Foundation Inc. We take care of all girls from street kids, molested, mga street vendors, and then we're very thankful. Yung house namin is just right at the corner of Genesis School. So their ages are from 7 and now they're 13 already. So, and we're very thankful for Genesis that they accepted Rona May and then they sponsored her to study in in Genesis. Like the kids that we have are like 10 years old but cannot read. So it's their first time to go to school. And yung mga taga Smoky Mountain. So our website is www.childsfield.com. So I hope you can visit the site. And then together, let's help the kids. So that's it. Congratulations sa parents na nag-graduate yung mga kids natin. Thank you.
So, because Rhoda May here, may I call on Rhoda May? She was, can I say it? She was adopted by Childsville. She is a San Paquita vendor. In Burgos, at 9, they are there just scattered, and Ma'am Eva is, a gifted, foundation. Just get this Rhoda May here to be one of our